The Supreme Court has sided with a Texas man who says it's not a crime.
The Supreme Court unanimously decided that
It's a
taking
unanimous
away
opinion from the court, which is a big deal.
The Supreme Court today said that that law is too broad. It's unconstitutional in a rollback of this long-standing ban on guns for anyone who uses a controlled substance.
Once you've been at the mountaintop of really helping someone who's not guilty save their life, there was no bigger one-to-one human way I could impact the world. Early in my career, I was in a really small exurban place, and I took on a lot of indigent defense, meaning people who couldn't afford a lawyer. It inspired me to make sure that I was never treating the people who I dealt with as any different than the treatment that these clients over here on the paid docket got. I knew that where I needed to be was in the courtroom and impacting people's lives when the state was trying to take their freedom away. When you get to defend people, it is an honor and a privilege. My clients have placed their lives in my hands. I try to develop a real personal connection with all my clients. You can't really defend someone if you don't know who they are. I love being the person that gets to fight for just one individual while the rest of the room is doing everything they can to end their life.
I was raised here in Dallas, Texas, but I am originally from Pakistan. In 2020, my house got raided due to someone else's actions. Whatever they're looking for, they couldn't find it, but they did find some personal level drugs and a gun that is legally registered to my name in my room in a safe. In February 2023, I was driving from my house to work. A state trooper pulls me over, and he comes up and he says, "Hey, you have a federal warrant on you." Next thing I know, I'm in a federal detention center. They're twisting my whole story that follows their agenda. They're saying stuff like, this guy has never had any kind of criminal history, which makes him the perfect person to commit crimes. They denied my bail and kept me in the detention center for about 7 months. We needed a lawyer that specialized in appeals. After my case at the district court level got dismissed, I found Zach and Evergreen Attorneys. The government has the right to appeal within a certain time frame. Of course, they appealed. The next level is Supreme Court.
So a big win for Mr. Hemani, a decision that all the justices
I would say that if you're in any kind of legal trouble, you should call Evergreen Attorneys. Zach's the best. David's amazing. They really do prioritize you, and they really do try to help.
What we at Evergreen Attorneys do that's actually different is we bring hope and a plan for your defense. The main mission of Evergreen Attorneys is to help people in their most difficult times when the federal government is trying to take away their liberty, and to help them get through, and to see them through those dark times, and to get them to a resolution at the end where they can have a second, a third, and a fourth act in life. Evergreen Attorneys is an exceptional federal criminal defense firm, and we're ready and prepared to defend you nationwide.